You know the feeling. You're in the auto parts store staring down a wall of motor oil. Every jug is screaming promises from its label: maximum protection, ultimate performance, longer engine life. You see the big three: Castrol, Pennzoil, and Valvoline, and the pressure is on. Pick the right one and your engine purrs, protected for thousands of miles. But pick the wrong one, and you could be making a quiet mistake that your engine pays for down the road. So which one is actually the best for your car? Engines don't just die of old age, they can die from bad choices. Today, we're cutting through the noise and putting all three to the test to find the true champion for your daily driver, your performance car, and your high-mileage hero. The results might just surprise you. If you're someone who cares about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of marketing hype, hit that subscribe button right now. It's actually shocking that over 95% of viewers don't subscribe, despite saving hundreds or even thousands from the information in these videos. Subscribing costs you nothing, but helps me keep bringing you content that dealers don't want you to see. Let's be honest, the battle of the brands is one of the most confusing parts of owning a car. It feels like you need a chemistry degree just to pick out a 5-quart jug of oil. But it doesn't have to be that complicated. At their core, all three of these companies make excellent full synthetic oils that meet tough industry standards. But they aren't all the same. Each brand has a different philosophy and a different area where it really shines. Castrol is often seen as the specialist for high-stress situations. Pennzoil has built its entire reputation on engine cleanliness, and Valvoline? They're the seasoned veteran, famous for keeping older cars running strong. So we're not just going to read the labels. We're going to break down which oil is truly the best for 3 different types of cars. We're talking about the car sitting in your driveway right now. Let's kick things off with the unsung hero of the automotive world, the daily driver. Your daily driver is a workhorse. It puts up with a special kind of torture: short trips, stop-and-go traffic, and long waits in the drive-thru. These conditions don't always let the engine get hot enough, which can lead to nasty sludge buildup, and the constant starting and stopping puts wear on parts. For this car, you need an oil that offers solid protection without being a pricey, track-ready formula. Your priorities here are cleanliness and value. Our first contender is Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic. Think of Valvoline as the smart, dependable choice. It's been a workshop staple for decades. Its modern full synthetic formula is engineered to provide excellent protection against the 4 horsemen of engine death: wear, friction, heat, and deposits. It delivers proven wear protection that is as much as 40% better than industry standards, which is critical for preventing damage during city driving. Where Valvoline really scores points is its value. It's a high-quality, American-made synthetic that is easy to find and often more affordable than rivals. This makes it a fantastic choice for the owner who wants great protection without breaking the bank. Next up is Pennzoil Platinum. Pennzoil's big claim to fame is its Pure Plus technology. The brand is famous for making its base oil from natural gas, not crude. That sounds fancy, but what does it mean for your engine? A base oil from natural gas is incredibly pure, giving a daily driver key advantages. First, it's exceptionally clean, helping to keep pistons remarkably free of gunk. A cleaner engine is a more efficient engine. Second, it has low volatility, meaning less of the oil burns off at high temperatures, helping keep your oil level stable. This reduces the deposits that can clog your intake system. Our third contender is Castrol AG. Castrol is often linked with racing, but its flagship synthetic is a serious competitor for daily driving too. Castrol's secret weapon is fluid titanium technology, designed to physically change its structure under pressure, creating a stronger barrier. For a daily driver, this means extra protection during high-stress moments like merging onto the freeway or modern stop-start systems. Castrol also focuses heavily on sludge control and maintaining viscosity, ensuring it protects consistently throughout your oil change interval. The verdict for the daily driver: it comes down to value. For the best bang for your buck, Valvoline Advanced is the winner. If your goal is keeping the engine factory clean for the long haul, Pennzoil Platinum is an outstanding pick for its natural gas advantage. Alright, let's switch gears to the weekend warriors, track toys, and turbocharged beasts. Performance engines are a completely different animal. They run hotter, operate under massive pressure, and live at high RPMs. The oil here must survive forces that would shred normal lubricants. First in the ring is Castrol Edge. This is Castrol's home turf. Its identity is built around performing under pressure, and EDGE is its champion. That fluid titanium technology isn't just marketing, it's engineered specifically for these high-stress situations. When your turbo is glowing red-hot after a spirited drive, Castrol Edge is formulated to maintain its strength and prevent shearing, which is when oil loses viscosity and stops protecting vital parts. In specific standardized tests, it has been proven to be 3x stronger against viscosity breakdown than a leading full synthetic. This is why you'll often see Castrol Edgeweth demanding approvals from European brands like BMW and Porsche. For hard-driven, hot-running engines, Castrol is the go-to. Next, we have Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. This is Pennzoil's top-tier oil, and it's a serious contender. That super clean natural gas base oil is a huge asset here. Performance engines make a ton of heat, which can cause lesser oils to evaporate and create power-robbing deposits. Pennzoil's resistance to burn-off helps keep the engine clean and protected under extreme conditions. Pennzoil specifically claims that Ultra Platinum can help keep pistons up to 65% cleaner than required by the toughest industry standards. It's also formulated for excellent wear protection, which is crucial for modern, high-output engines. For many performance cars, especially from American and Asian brands, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum offers an incredible level of protection. Finally, there's Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic. While it's a great oil, this is the one category where Valvoline's standard offering is a bit outgunned by the specialized formulas from Castrol and Pennzoil. It offers solid heat protection and is more than enough for most sporty daily drivers, but it isn't positioned as a top-tier track day oil in the same way Castrol Edge is. It's a fantastic oil, just not a specialized performance champion. The verdict for the performance car: there can only be one king here. For high-performance, turbocharged, and hard-driven engines, Castrol Edge is the undisputed champion of these three. Its entire formula is built for strength under extreme pressure and heat, and its long list of European OEM approvals backs that up. It's the oil you choose when you need total confidence that your lubricant won't be the weak link when you're pushing your machine to its limits. If you're someone who cares about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of marketing hype, hit that subscribe button right now. The high-mileage hero. Now let's talk about the veterans of the road cars with 75,000 miles or more on the clock. As engines get older, they face a new set of problems. Seals can get dry and brittle, leading to pesky oil leaks. Piston rings can wear down, causing the engine to consume more oil. The best high-mileage oil isn't just about lubrication. It's about rejuvenation. The priorities are conditioning seals, cleaning up old deposits, and giving extra protection against wear. Leading the charge is Valvoline MaxLife High Mileage. Valvoline is widely credited with pioneering the high-mileage category, and MaxLife is its legendary flagship. This oil's formula is laser-focused on the problems of older engines. Its most famous feature is its robust seal conditioners, which are additives designed to soften and rejuvenate aging gaskets to help stop and prevent oil leaks. It also packs in extra detergents to clean away sludge and enhanced anti-wear additives that provide 20% better wear protection than industry standards. For a typical older car that's starting to show its age with a few drips on the garage floor, Valvoline MaxLife is the classic prescription. Our next contender is Castrol Edge High Mileage. Castrol asks, what if your high-mileage car is also a high-performance car? Edge blends high-stress protection with additives for older engines. You get fluid titanium technology for strength, plus added seal conditioners for over 75,000 miles. If you have an older Audi, BMW, or turbocharged car you love to drive hard, Castrol Edge High Mileage is made for you. Finally, we have Pennzoil Platinum High Mileage. Pennzoil brings its core strength cleanliness to the high-mileage battle, containing conditioners for aging seals. Its primary focus is fighting sludge. Using pure natural gas base oil, it reduces oil consumption and keeps internals free of varnish. The verdict: Valvoline MaxLife is the undisputed king of keeping older cars on the road, perfectly tuned to solve leaks and wear. However, if your car is both high mileage and high performance, Castrol Edge is the superior choice, giving that unique blend of strength and rejuvenation. So there's the breakdown. If this helped clear up confusion, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world car care advice. Now we want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which oil you trust in your car. Final summary: the throne depends on the car. The best oil is the one best for your car, driving style, and budget. Choose Valvoline for a dependable, cost-effective daily driver with over 75,000 miles. It's the champ for most high-mileage cars. Choose Pennzoil if cleanliness and efficiency are priorities. Its natural gas-based oil prevents sludge for a clean-running machine. And choose Castrol if your engine works hard, runs hot, or is turbocharged. For high-stress, high-performance driving, its film strength and stability under pressure are second to none. Ultimately, the most important step is the simplest one. Open your owner's manual. The right viscosity like OW20 or 5W30 and the required manufacturer specs are more important than any brand name on the bottle. Start there and then use this guide to pick the brand that fits your needs. Thanks for watching. Drive safe and take care of your engine.